hugs. As you can see, if you see this on the side of me, I'm multitasking today. So we are about to pour our boiling hot water in our crock pot. And this is for our laundry soap. Believe it or not, this is my first time making liquid soap. But you'll have that first time for everything again. So I'm just going to neutralize this with some citric acid. I'm also going to add in a couple of scoops of some OxyClean that I had on hand. Whoa. That's a first. I'll let it fizzle down. It's probably a reaction from the citric acid. And then I also have some washing soda. And this smells horrendous together. I'm going to open a window. I love to breathe. And obviously, if you're going to try this, do a little at a time like I am. Because if you put too much, it's going to boil out of the pot. And my crock pot is small. And I have more citric acid down here. Because I'm also doing bath bombs at the same time. And I would not like for any of this to boil over. So I have a spatula here that I was using to make this soap. So I'm just going to mix all this together. And this is distilled water, just in case you were wondering. So it's purified water that I let come to a rolling boil. And this is mainly for myself. I just want to see how this is going to work. And then if I like it for myself, then I will definitely make some for sale. I already had somebody tell me that they wanted to try it. So this is about a 2-to-1 ratio. I know a lot of people say that when you're doing olive oil, it should be a 3-to-1. But let's see. I like to beat the drum to my own tune. And I must say, making this was even though I'm used to hot processed soap, making this was a pain and a half. Very much of a pain. Because I was, I thought that it had to look a certain way for it to be done. Here's my clarity test. So it's a nice golden clear color. And this bubbles really nicely. So I'm just going to let this do its thing on low. And I will bring you guys back at another time to see how it's looking. So this is an update. Liquid soap making laundry soap. Laundry soap day 2. If I can get my spatula top. I'm pretty sure I'm not the first person that happened to. So All right, so mixy, get all the sides off. And I will see you guys later when this is liquefied. Alright, bugs, so here's a little update on how my laundry soap is looking. I still have some chunks left, but I might just use that as like a starter for the next one, because this has been, it's almost 6 o'clock, and this has been liquefying, if you will, since about 2 or 1 p.m. So I'm just going to put it in a distilled water bottle and use it for laundry. So there you have it. There you have it, folks. Another fine creation from BodyGarbage. If you like this video, please do give me a big thumbs up. And if you're new to this channel, don't forget to subscribe and hit that notification bell so you don't miss out on future videos. If you'd like to purchase anything that's available in my Etsy, please follow the link down below. As always, be well and stay blessed. Thank you guys for watching, and until next time, bye for now.